lesson, we're going to talk about why do we need to know discriminant. Review, you have learned quadratic formula. X squared is negative b, add and all subtract b squared minus 4ac over 2 times a. Discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Why do we know that? Because if the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, we're going to have two solutions, two roots. If discriminant is 0, we're going to have one solution, one root. If discriminant is less than 0, in Algebra 1, we have no solution. So we say no solution. In some textbooks, they also say 0 solution. Okay? That's what we're going to do in this video. Remember, you do not need to solve for x. You just need to check discriminant. Let us look at first one. b squared, negative 6 squared, minus 4 times a is 1. c is negative 7. Negative 6 squared is 36. Minus, we're going to have a plus. 4 times 1 times 7, 28. You can stop right here because you can see it is greater than 0. Therefore, we're going to have two solutions. Next question. b squared minus 4 times a times c is 9. Negative 6 squared is 36. Minus 4 times 9 is also 36. So this time, discriminant equals 0. Therefore, number of solution is 1. Also, did you notice this one is actually our special form? The special form says it is actually x minus 3 squared. Because if you expand it, you get the product, you say first term squared. Next term squared, negative 3 squared is 9. In the middle, it's minus 2 times x. In negative 3, that's negative 6. Negative 6x. And here is a plus. Okay? So this is a special form. When you use a special form, you also know if I want to find what is x, you take the square roots both sides. You say x minus 3 is 0. And x is 3. Did you see that? You're using discriminant to check. You found you're going to have one root. You also went ahead, solved it. By using special form, by taking square roots, you found x equals 3. Indeed, one root. Last one, let us look at this. X squared minus 6x plus 12, discriminant, negative 6 squared minus 4 times a and times c. So we have 36 minus 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 12 is 48. You can stop right here because you can see it is less than 0. You can say no solution. No solution means number of solution is, this is 2, this is 1. Since I have no solution, number of solution is 0. Okay, that is why we need to know what is discriminant and how to use it. Discriminant can tell us the number of solutions. Of course, when you go to Algebra 2, question 3, we will have a way to find its roots. Happy learning!